So this Mrcool unit has been running for about 5 minutes. It's in heat mode. The liquid line has reached operating temperature. It's about 140 C. And we're going to test the leak with this DR58 heated diode sensor. Now, first of all, I shall place the sensor on the suction line, which is cooler. And you'll see very little. Now I'm going to, a little bit maybe, but now I'm going to place it on the liquid line. And you'll see it's going crazy. Take it off, allow it to reset. Back onto the suction line. A little bit. Place it onto the liquid line. The hot liquid line where the metal's expanded. And this thing's going crazy. So that's a significant leak.